How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing the oil change on my 2016 Volkswagen GLI. It's pretty simple, straightforward. I'll show you guys the ways that I've done it. That pretty much, it's easy, I'd say. A lot of people would say, oh, you have to do it a certain way. You have to drain all the oil, well, pump all the oil and all that. But I'll show you my way and show you how easy it is. Alright, so I just finished putting the car on jack stand. This is going to help elevate the car in the front a little bit to have the oil run straight down and out. Next, you use this lever here to pop the hood. Voila, magic. So this is the oil filter housing right here. This is what we're going to remove, put in the new filter, and I'll show you guys how to do that. This is the kit I bought from CTS Tuning. It's LiquiMoly 5W40. It came with the 5-quart, the 1-quart, the filter, the O-ring, and the drain plug, a new one. We're also going to be using a T45, T47, one of those. I forgot which one it was for the drain plug. A ratchet, extension, and a 32 socket for the oil filter housing. And of course, a drain pan. I know this one's kind of crusty, doesn't matter, it's old oil anyway. Just to confirm, it is a T45 that you will be needing. It's gonna be a little bit awkward recording this, but here we go. Just losing that bad boy. Good thing I have my drip pan in place. And from this point, when it's dripping like that, you can just finger loose, unscrew it. Oh man, she's dirty. And this was only 5,000 miles. There we go. Now we just let that drain out. I'm gonna go ahead and help the airflow with it by opening up the top cover for where you pour the oil in. So I'll be right back. Here's the bad boy we're gonna pop open. Let that airflow. There she goes, pouring away. She came through dripping. Then my next step, I'll use the little small quart. I'll pour in a little bit of oil just to help this one kind of like wash away in a way. So I'll go ahead and do that. There she goes, flowing slowly with the new oil, a little bit of new oil I put in to help it cycle through. Now it's time to put the new drain plug and the new oil ring on. I know if I can see it, but the green oil is starting to come out. So it's cleaning it. Now it's time to screw that bad boy back on there. There goes the new plug, nice and tight. Sorry guys, thought I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but you will also need a torque wrench. And you have to have it torqued at 25. Next up, you pop your cover off. Set that aside. This is what we're gonna get into. So, right is to tight, left is to loosen. I'll show you guys when it comes off. Here she goes. And the filter's a little tight to take it off, but once you really tighten it off, it'll just pop up like so. Also, we will be removing this O-ring and replacing it with the new one as well. Every time you change the filter, you change the O-ring. The O-ring, you can just pinch the corner, pull up, and it'll come right off. This is the new O-ring, the new filter compared to the old filter and the old O-ring. Now with this O-ring, what you're going to do, you're going to grab some new oil and lubricate it up. Then once you do so, you're going to slide it on and then pull it all the way down till it's in the gap, the last one. And then you're going to slide the filter right through this hole all the way in. Now the filter tells you which way it goes. I'm pretty sure it's the writing facing up. This part goes down, this part stays up. Probably doesn't really matter, but that's how I do it. Alright, new O-ring on, new filter on. What you're going to do, you're going to push it all the way down until you hear it click, or pop actually. And that's it for that. Go ahead, take this bad boy, put it right back on. Spin it on. I like to get it set before I torque it down. Now that bad boy's on there, let's grab this torque wrench. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard recording with one hand and using the other to do stuff. But hey, I do it for you guys. Alright, it's starting to get hard. Pretty sure it'll click. Give me 1 second. There she goes. And now that that's done, last step would be to pour that sucker in. One down, one more to go. Now that that's all set, what we're gonna do is put the cover back on there. And the actual engine cover. Now we're all set. Next thing would be on the OBD scanner, resetting the oil change. That way the car doesn't keep annoyingly beeping. I'll show you guys how I do it. Now that right there is what we're going to be resetting. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so it wasn't letting me screen record my screen, but basically on OBD 11 what you do, you go to your car, then you go to your applications for your cars, your apps. Then you click on the workshop tab. When you're on the workshop tab, you'll see oil reset, oil service reset. Just tap on that, it's 10 credits. What I did basically every day, I would log in just to get the point or watch ads, but it's just 10 credits. You can reset it with the 10 credits. And I'll show you guys how it looks now that I did it. Now that I press the key, it doesn't pop up. I'm gonna go to my settings, go to service, and the info shows you now it's been reset. And there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps me out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.